The DeWalt Packout tool cabinets. Pretty awesome. If I can get the door to stay open. Pretty sweet. You can stack them. You can put 2, 3, 5, 6 at your local Home Depot. If you can't get it, order it on their website or the app. Then we've got the Milwaukee Packout cooler. One of my favorites. I'm not too happy about the white cover. Could get very dirty. Keep your beers, your food, your lunch nice and cold. That's right, folks. Milwaukee Packout. How about the Milwaukee Big Packout toolbox? One of my favorites. This is one of the large versions. Take a sniff. Has a funny, really, almost like a new car smell. New Milwaukee Packout smell. Home Depot in Marlborough, Massachusetts has Milwaukee Packout accessories. Pretty cool. All these hooks. I'm digging it. Check it out, folks. Like and subscribe, please. Look at this for your M18 batteries and the Big Packout wall bracket. I'm digging that too. Pretty sweet. And for your wrenches, Milwaukee Packout. How about a Milwaukee Packout radio? One of my favorites. But let's not forget the small Milwaukee Packout screw organizer. And we've got the small Milwaukee Packout wall plate. Come to your local Home Depot and check it out. Order them online. Tool Barn has them too. But I love these cabinets, folks. They're beautiful. Awesome. Super light. Super efficient.